Let's get ready together for our last day in the Hamptons. I always travel with my nose rings because sometimes I sleep kind of crazy and I end up losing them. But if you're like me, make sure that you travel with your nose rings. Today I'm going to do kind of like my normal makeup look, but we're going to make it super glowy. This is Glotion by L'Oreal Paris. This is one of my favorite pre-makeup products. Make sure that you already did your sunscreen and your moisturizer before applying this. I'm gonna do now because I forgot, but that's okay. Me and my girls are in the Hamptons right now because, you know, as girls we lead busy lives and we need to take some time for ourselves. Next, we're gonna go in with the GRWM Luminous Silk Foundation. I only put this on the lower half of my face. I do not like a foundation all over my face, and especially not on my forehead. Applying it just on this lower third of my face is really good for the rest of my makeup because it doesn't interfere with my concealer. So whenever I put makeup on my forehead, specifically foundation, it doesn't look right. You know that it's time for a new product when you've lost the cap and travel with it in a plastic bag. When it looks like this. Say what you want, this contour can't be beat. I almost forgot to do my brows. Guys, I'm kind of on a journey where I'm growing my brows back out. Something I've been doing lately is the brown liner. This is actually a lip pencil, but the brown liner underneath the eye, like, just gives such a beautiful effect, like such a drastic, dramatic effect. Okay, so also my eyeshadow palette top broke off before this trip, and it also broke and exploded. So I'm gonna show you guys how I apply my brown shadows. I take this dark brown and then I put it under my eye like this, like that, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Alright, so mind you, now I'm looking a little crazy. I feel like I used a lot of concealer today, so I'm going to go back in with just a little bit more contour. I still have to do my bronzer and my blush, and then I'll be done. Alright, now we're going to take my Makeup Forever powder, and I forgot before I did the contour, before I went back in with contour, to powder, taking the excess off. But you know, I never used to believe in powder, you guys, but I started doing it this year, and I realized how flawless one really makes your skin look. It's almost like a blurred filter on my nose, under my eyes, and I'm also going to put it between my forehead. Something else I do, so you see how you can kind of see the lines on my eyebrows? To blend it just a little bit more, I'm going to go in with my edge brush, and you see how much better that looks? Don't worry, we're going to fix that. And then I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Flawless Whitening Concealer above my eyebrows. But I did it yesterday, and I loved how it turned out, so we're going to do it one more time. Just above like that. Boom, boom. Oh, and then I'm going to put a little bit on my nose, just like that. Good. While we let this sit, we're going to go in with my NARS, and this is Laguna 4. This is called bronzer. Feels like the wall knocking at my door. How many times yeah, you are being alone? Yeah, taking a Tony, trying not to keep from falling apart right into your bed. When you're not next to me, you better believe. Automatic thing like a bad habit. Bad type break when we do it on my own. That feel fake so automatic. Problem is when you guys are almost done. We're going to let the concealer marinate just a little bit more. So while I do that, I'm going to use my blush. This is from Physicians Formula. And I'm going to keep it central to my face. I feel like it just complements my features so much more. Lip stain. Last and final step, we're going to go in with just a little bit, actually a lot of highlights. Got a bit under the brow bone, so we get that little lift. I forgot to do mascara. We're done. I hope that you guys like the final look. Thanks for getting ready with me.